Basola saimuri yeZimbabwe togashira muchirongwa chenyu chemasecrets namaconfessions. Regai tipinde munyaya yekutanga. Hi auntie, my name is Nyasha. Don't hide my name, it's fine. I'm a girl aged 20. I've been looking for your number. I'm happy that's Zwana Hangu. I just want to share with you an episode of my life as Nerira. Yes, my mom died when I was 3 years. So there was this time I relocated from Kumusha to town, Kumba kwa maini wangu, mninina wa mama. So she was supposed to enroll me in school because I was still in secondary, Form 2. So kubva kwandakaita Kumusha, it wasn't a happy goodbye at all. I was thrown out by my aunt. It's a story for another day. So I have a cousin brother who's in Joburg. He loved me so much that he didn't even believe manyepo andakapomerwa kuti ndizorelocata. So he told my name to enroll me and he will come continue paying my fees, because even Kumusha, he was the one paying my fees and everything. So my nini anga ari my first days car, so she was so nice to me and I felt loved. She even took me kunotsvaga place kuchikoro tikatoiwana, and she told my cousin brother everything. By that time I was 15 years old. I didn't have a phone. Vana vekumusha, back to my story. After ndawanirwa place kuchikoro, my name suddenly changed. Mind you, handisati ndakuenda kuchikoro, I don't know kuti my brother already sent money for fees. My name started saying zvinhu zvakandomira mwanangu, but hopefully next month unotanga kuenda kuchikoro nevamwe. Yakaramba yanguva next month. My nini vaita basa rekumabhazi anobva kuSA to Zim Malaysia, so she was always not available, which made it so hard to communicate with my brother. So maid akabva atodzingwa zvikanzi musikana aripo anoita zvese. Kobvigweni, I would clean, cook, wash clothes for her kids while she was away working. Tete vana vaisvibisa ivavo, mumwe grade 1 mumwe grade 6, but vaita kunge vakaenzana kusvibisa kwacho. Maoko aisvuka nekuwacha majinzi ejoni. Apa mwana wamainini firstborn grade 6 aiva mama's boy, aidiwa and aiva kandivenga. He would lie to his mother. Mama vacho vodzoka vonditukirira size. Ndaitraya tete, I was just 15. So term yakasvika pakupera, ndichingonzi next month hopefully I'll be able to pay for your fees. Tete, by that time chimalaicha chaitisa mari, vanhu ndivo pavainyanya kuenda kujoni. Ende vaibhadhara zvekuti pamba pavo paitonzi pamba pemunhu ane mari, because mai yanga achivakwa yange yatopera 5 rooms dzataigara. Iyo it's a 7-roomed house. Isi taishandisa 2 bedrooms and kitchen. Kitchen was my bedroom. The other room was for mommy's children. The 3rd bedroom was mama's bedroom. 2 other rooms ainge aine vairenta. Back to my story. Holiday yakasvika, mainini vakati ndakuenda nemi kuSouth Africa. Vaida kuti ndiende nemwana wamudiki musikana, since I'm also a girl and I was so happy. By the way, we crossed the border. But one thing I appreciated for was her going with us nemusango. Pange pakaipa kubva kuHarare kusvika kuCape tiri muQuantum. I mean, that week she didn't use bus. Okay, we arrived in Cape Town and lo and behold we were staying in Mkuku. Panga pari safe. Taitwa negedi paiva pamba pemunhu akangoiswa Mkuku kuseri kwemain house yake. It was built beautifully. So we stayed there with my little cousin sister. The holiday went well. Taingoswera takagara tichiona mamovie edu the whole holiday. Takatombozorora. Now we were about to return to Zimbabwe. My name came to me and shamelessly asked me if I would love to stay in Cape Town and wonditsvagira basa, and I kissed school goodbye, or I choose to go back and start going to school. I was shocked, Tete, but ndakavati I'm still young for me to start working, so I'm going back with you ndiende kuchikoro. So we went back, ngoma ndiyo. I was back to my housemaid duties, and zvekuchikoro kwaingonzi zvinhu zvakaoma. Kusvika gore rapera, now ndanga ndatozoaccepta kuti hapasisina zvechikoro. Tete, ndaigirwa mazembe varungu, ma-second hand mazombe aya hanzi uri muhombe you can manage, but vafana vako they need new things, vaitengerwa new ones. The other thing, Tete, was religion. Mainini vanobeliever kumapostori too much, zvekuti zvese zvavanzwa it's true. Ndakatombonza I was going to get pregnant before the year ends. Ndakatukwa namainini, ndikatukirirwa amai vakafa ndiine 3 years. In my mind I'll be saying ko imi mune vana baba vake 1, but pakutukirirwa zvainge zvisingaiti. zvaindibhoa hangu. Ndipo pandakamaka maprofita handiendi kupostori chechini, so maindu apa ndanga ndatova nikafoni thanks to mainini vaida kuti ticommunicate vachindiudza kuti chibika ndakusvika. So that's how I opened Facebook, and my cousin brother message, he was hurt and angry at me. Hanzi mainini told me kuti wakaramba chikoro ende wakuita zvevarume. Hanzi ndakasenda mari first time yese but mainini vanga vasina kana kundiudza. My brother was too heartbroken to believe me this time. Akati, Nyasha, I'm defending you because I love you, my sister, but why would your mother's sister lie? So yeah, I was left alone again. This broke my heart because it was the best thing that has ever happened to me, Tete. So I fell in love, and I was really in love with this boy. We would spend time together. Vanapa vanenge vaenda kuchikoro, iye aidzoka kubva kuchikoro. He was in university. One thing that I loved about him the most, he was 20 and I was about to turn 16. We were both very young, but he respected me also. He never for once tried to sleep with me, and he was so gentle, caring, kind, genuine, nice to me. We were both in cloud nine murudo. Taifara spend time together. We were attached to each other, but it did not last because my cousin brother, the mommy's boy grade 7, found out and told his mother. Akawedzera salt and cheeky chili. Vakaita chitake team nemaloji epamba kuripota kuna mama kuti ndaisabikira vana on time, ndaiswera ndisipo. And yes, ndaiswera ndisipo, but ndaitomake sure kuti vana vadya on time. I love those kids with my whole heart. They know that. Even my boyfriend knew that I don't play about my little humans. He would escort me home every time to cook, but mine believed her son and her tenants, and so she disowned me. But I want you to know that God has been with me throughout, even when I didn't know. I have a lot of episodes, Tete. Some are too sensitive. I even left some parts. Just tell me if you want one. But bye for now. Thanks, Tete. May God bless you. I'm your early YouTube supporter. I've been following you for a long time now, and I've learned a lot from you and these stories you keep reading. Keep going, auntie. Thank you so much for sending this message, Nyasha. I'm very sorry for what you went through. Zvinorwadza sei kuti vana mainini vanenge vapiwa mari then vobva vatoidya. Zvakaoma hazvo, ende unotoona kuti handizivi hangu kuti kana mwana asiri wako munoziva kuti chinhu ichi chinotanga sen, it comes as a thought. Whatever zvinoitika muupenyu zvinotanga uri mufungo. Ukafunga kuti mwana uyu handimufariri, mwana uyu handimufariri, she doesn't deserve anything, but vana vangu they deserve everything. Handitika wotoientertaina pfungwa iyoyo. That's how you start treating vamwe vana. Asi ndoda kungoti muzora nhasi, can you picture yourself usipo ari mwana wako ari kutreatiwa that way? I know there was a time pandakambotumirawo mari yeschool fees, munhu akatora mari akaidya, ndikatozosvika pakudzingwa. Asi ime zvakaoma hazvo, ende unotozozvidiscover later kuti mari ainge yatumirwa, but munhu anenge achitori sister mai vako, kuti anenge achitori hama yako yepedyo anenge akudyira mari. Zvinova izvo zvisina kunaka. I think people are selfish. People put themselves first. Alright, regai tipinde munyaya inotevera. Vatete, ndakatipirwa neshamwari yangu Betty kunzi paita imwe n'anga iri kumvura inoita mashura nezviratidzo. Ini ndaiva mudi wezvinhu, and anything chaita kuti upenyu hwangu huendere mberi ndaizvitsvaga. Ndainge ndisina hope nemari, ndainge ndisingadi kupesana nemari. Botiki yandairana ndainge ndaivhurisirwa nerimwe dhara rakazoshayika. Kushayika kwaro kwaive kweold age, vatete, kwainge kusinei neni. Saka business iri rainge risachanyanyofaya semazuva ekutanga, so ndaifanirwa kumbotsvaka umwe mushonga wetop up kuti zvinhu zvangu zvitange kufaya. Ndaiziva kuti zvinhu zvandaitengesa zvaiva good quality, inyaya yekuti tainge toda kuurayiwa nevanhu vemabhero nemarana akati kuuya aya ekuti dress one unoriwana riri uniform, nosangana nevamwe 20 vanhu vakaripfeka. Naizvozvo ndakaona kuti pfungwa yaBetty yaive yakanaka. Betty waivawo neshop yake, asi kuti iye waitengesa homeway. Despite competition yema-Chinese products, zvinhu zvaBetty zvaifaya chose zvekutoti vanhu vaimira line zvichipera. Kwete kuti zvanga zvakachipa bodo, mitengo yacho yaitwawo pamusoro compared to zvinhu zvekuma-China. Vatete, umwe musi ndakashanya kushop kwake, kwakutanga kuda kunzwisisa secret yebusiness rake. Betty wakambotanga achida kutsika-tsika. Akazoti aiva nemwe n'anga latest yaiziva. N'anga yainzi yainge yabva kumvura chaiko, yaita mashura nezviratidzo. Saka aiti n'anga iyi yaigara kuLesotho. Ndikati aiwa, taizosvikako ndakatoseka naBetty kuti n'anga yekuLesotho aingaizivira kupi iye munhu ainge ari muZimbabwe. Akanditi nguva dzatiri kurarama dzinotoda kungwara-ngwara kwete kurara nezamo muromo. Ndakaona kuti zvechokwadi Betty waitaura dama rakanaka, walala wasala. Nyika ino haidi vari wiki kana kuti vari slow pakufunga, unogwabvurwa nenhamo. Passport ndainge ndagara ndinayo zvangu vatete kwakubatana naBetty takapinda nekuSouth Africa tichibva uno Zimbabwe. Betty waiziva zvikona zvose zvekuSouth Africa. Pasina nguva tainge tasvika kuLesotho, asi apa ndipo pandakati rwadzoi nekufamba sekuti n'anga yacho yaigara mugomo. Ndakabvunza Betty kuti sei yaigara mugomo iyo aiti ndeye mvura. Betty akapindura akati masimba ayo aibva mumvura. Okay, zvainge zvomeka sense. Mvungwa dzangu ndaiti kana ichibva mumvura zvinoreva kuti iri powerful. Atete ndakasvika, n'anga iya haishoperi like zvinoita vekuZimbabwe. Oregai nditi kuda ndiwo maitiro en'anga dzekurombesa. Yakandibvunza kuti kufamba mutunhu ndainge ndavingei. Ndakatsanangura kuti zvinhu zvangu zvainge zvakamira kuti dzichaiko. Shop yaisatengwa, vashandi ndainge ndotadza kuvabhadhara. Taxman aida zvinhu zvake, vana vaida kudya, vabereki vachida kuchengetiwa. Ndaiva nesister yaiva nedisability yaida special care. Zvese izvi zvainge zvakamirira ini. Ndikasamira ini hapana chaizofamba. Zvimwe ndainge ndowedzera vatete kuti nyaya yangu ikore moto, inzwisewo tsitsi ndigopiwawo zviri powerful. Ndakapiwa chimukuyu cheButterfly. Apa ndichiti chimukuyu cheButterfly ndinoreva kuti ndakapiwa butterfly rakaomeswa. Kwakuudzwa zvekunoita naro kana ndichinge ndasvika kushopu. Ndakanzi ndinoridisplaya panoonekwa nevanhu. Anenge abvunza ndaizomuti ndinokolekta mabutterfly angoriwo mahobby echirungu, uyewo nditsvake macoin aishandiswa kare akaita brown aya kuitira kudana mari ndigoisa zvakare mushopu panoonekwa nevanhu. Zvinhu zvacho zvaifanirwa kuva pamhene vatete pazvaionekwa nevanhu, asi chero zvidini chigaba chandainge ndaisa ichi hachifaniri kubatwa nemunhu ari kunguva yake yevakadzi. Ma-terms and conditions acho it seems to be simple and at least aisadaropa kana kuti ndizvo zvandaifunga. Ndakanotsvaka mamason jazz angu muSouth Africa patainge todzoka naBetty. At least kana zvaizoiswa pachena vatete zvaifanira kuitwa zvine class mbichana kwete kuti zviite obvious kuti mugaba rakapera salad cream. Ndakasvika kumusha ndikaisa macoin angu aya, then butterfly pamusoro kwakuisa mushopu pakaunta. Chionai zvoita vanhu vatete kuita senge ndiri kutengesa mabhanzi anopisa. Zvinhu zvangu zvaitengwa kupera kuti du hanzi munotengesa quality mi. Inini yes please. Vatete kuti ndimeke sure kuti girazi rangu haribatwi nemunhu anoenda kunguva, ndakatsvaka mukomana aindibatsira. Mukomana uyu ndichamuti Ray. Ray ainge ari hardworker zvekuti haana kumbobvira ashota stock. Gore bwa ndichiita cash, nainge ndaclear zvikwereti zvangu zvese. Storeroom yangu yaugara yakati shuto. Vatete ndakava nenguva yakanaka ini, handidi kunyepa. Asi hapana chisingaperi pasi pezuva. Ndakazoti ndaenda kuholiday kuMaldives ndikasiyira Ray matomu ese eshopu. Handizivi kuti kudziyirwa kwaRay kana kuti kufarisa kana kuti hana kuzvifunga. Akasara akapinza musikana wake mushopu ainzi Fadziso. Ko ini ndainge ndisina kuudza vatete Ray kuti jaha risabatwa nemunhu ainge ari kunguva. Ndaigomuudzireyo handiti aiva murume here. Vatete guess what, Fadziso akauya kuzotandadza Ray kushopu pandanga ndisipo. Fadziso uyu ndainge ndagara ndichimuziva, uye kutandara kwawo ndainge ndisina basa nako as long as kusingakanganisi business. Fadziso akasara akabata jaha rangu. Ray ondiudza anoti ainge akagara achiadhimaya butterfly riya. Hanzi tiri vadiki taibata mabutterfly tozorera pahembe. Waizotengerwa hembe inenge butterfly. Kudhara ikoko hakusikari. Fadziso akazviita innocently, uye mukusaziva haana kuziva kuti ainge andiurayira basa. Ndipo pakatanga chamutava nhava changu ipapo tsekwende refu. Zvaireva kuti ndachikora miko, asi ndaingozvisimbisa ndichiti handisi rini ndaita zvakadaro. Ndakadzokera chimukuyu cheButterfly chiya chava kufema, ratokura kuita zibutterfly zvokuti mbotoro rainge risachakwani. Ndakavhurira butterfly riya sokuti rainge rakura zvokuda kutsemura gaba. Ndakavhurira butterfly riya, ndoimwe mistake number 2 yandakaita. zvakazoitika ndezvekuti ndakaridzirwa nhare namai vangu kuti Magi ainge awira mumoto akateukirwa nemvura inopisa. Sei caregiver wake ainge aindepi? Hanzi angaenda kunotora dish kuti adi amudire mvura mugezese. How come? Magi sister yangu yairarama neurema kubva achizvarwa. Magi vatete, Magi wami ndaimuda, mwana wamai vangu. Magi akamhanyiswa kuchipatara asi Magi haana kurarama. Magi wakavigwa. Vhiki richipera baba vakangoti musoro wangu ndiye Sarai. Vaiona vemuraini vaiti kudai stress yekufunga mwana wavo. Ndaiva nefeeling yekuti ndufu dziri kuitika idzi nebutterfly zvaidyitsana. Ndakadzokera ndakaflya to South Africa ndikuzoenda kuLesotho. Guess what vatete? Butterfly riya randakavhurira ndakawana ririko kwasekuru. Ndakavhunduka vatete ndichivhunza kuti chii chaitora nzvimbo. Kwai ropa wakabata butterfly neropa waifanira kutsiva neropa. Ropa rainge raactivata butterfly, naizvozvo ndaifanira kuripa neropa. Chechipiri ndaisafanira kuvhurira butterfly. Ndingadai ndakapiwa ndakadzoka naro. Kurivhurira kwandainge ndaita ndainge ndari pamukana wekunovhima ropa rehama dzangu. Macoin andainge ndasara nawo 2 ndaizoita mari zvangu nawo at the expense of ropa rehama dzangu nevana vangu. Vakanditi gore negore mumhuri medu munenge mune rufu vatete. Gore negore here ndakaitei? Zvokwadi dzimwe shamwari dzinonyengera. Beti akanditambisa nematope pasina mvura. Nao ndava kukanyana nema-effects angu ndoka. Vateteka, vasikana nevakomana vari pano, regai nditori mbingakadzi nematerial things dzose dzaungafungira, asi handina rugare, handina zororo, hama dzopera. Sekuru vakati hapana reverse deal. Dai parakabatwa gaba naFadziso ndisina kuvhurira butterfly. Ndakambofunga kumuita sacrifice iye Fadziso akandipinza munyaka idzi. Asi sekuru vakati hazviiti, hatina ukama hweropa. Teteka ndiri mukuchema ini. Right, this is very sad. Handiti, I think we get ourselves in trouble. Video ndinoonawo zvimwe zvinhu zvinondishamisa maZiland Cruiser ndiri kuona paZimbabwe apa uchiona vanhu like people who are just like us vari kutenga mazimota. Vanhu mari muri kuiona kuba apadzotengwa keshi ka zvakasiyana nekune kuti unoenda unotora Porsche yemiriyoni kana kuti wobhadhara nechikwereti for over 5 years. Iri kutengwa keshi. Guys, mari idzi muri kudziwanepi? Handisi kuti ndedzekuromba. Ayo, handisi kudaro. Hatidi we don't want to push the wrong narrative tisingazivi the other story of the side of the story. Asi mbotudza iwo kuti muri kutsikisa api woti join wa muri kutsikisa. Moti tistogere toda kuramba tichitambura onaye vanhu vaMwari. Anyway, ndikandi reply apa. Dare munongotusirawo macomments mucomment section atiti ndakuda kuti tipinde mumaRaven Diaries atiti kamuzora nhasi ndaona kuti nyaya dzedu ishoma. Pai pamunenge muchiti nyaya dzenyu dzinobhowa nekudidi, hapana, ndisina kutumigwa dzinonakidza. I'm very sorry for that, but I'm also going to continue telling you kuti because I have to face the world every day. I have to wake up and face the world every day. Kana mukandinyorera negative comments, it really affects my mood. And please, let's just respect each other. Alright, okay, tipinde munyaya inotevera. This is Raven Diaries, mjolo that almost killed me. Warm greetings, my beloved. Regai zvipore akabva murutsva imiwoye. To those of you who have been following up on my diaries from my previous narrations, you also understand that my marriage was disastrous after divorce. I was really expecting to settle for someone I have carefully picked, Chichi. And a compatible one. I never wanted munhu anonwa doro because my father was a drunkard. I didn't want to deal with someone like him in my life. Someone that's not saved. Munhu asingadi Mwari wandinoita hondo naye when I'm doing church business. A responsible man. Baba vandisingatukanirani kids spreads money. Ndakagadzira list yezvandaida from my ideal men, but what I didn't know that time was about my own weaknesses, which made me attract men that always mess up my life big time, which will always lead to failure. That gray area was supposed to be cleared and dealt with, otherwise the ugly pattern would continue. So after Baba Martins, there was that guy. Uya mamuziva ka, today we are continuing from there. After dating him for 2 years, I found out he was married. And this man was a gross liar. I couldn't just keep up with the lies. That made this relationship to fail. He wasted my time. That's a fact. One day I got a call from someone that wanted to buy my stuff. He asked me to come to his gym because it was after 5 p.m. I went, ndikabva ndakumbira receptionist to call him. Ndobva uya rino the fine gentleman and some very confident. Akapfeka gym wear. The moment he looked at me, akaita akakuvhunduka. I kept a straight face. You know why I got lost on my way in the gym and ended up in a male bathroom where I met half-dressed Hank. Ndiye akazonditi, you are lost. Reception is on the other side. I was so embarrassed. So when he came, after a brief moment of silence staring at each other, he said, you called for me. Dikat, yes, we spoke on the phone earlier about my products. I handed him the stuff. He asked me to come to his office tomorrow for payment. I went down the stairs and headed home. The following day, I called him for his physical address, which he gladly gave me. When I got at the reception, I asked to see him, and I was directed to his office. Well, we had a conversation. How I ended up in that field and challenges I'm facing. He was indeed a well-seasoned businessman. He gave me business hints and shared wisdom. That was the beginning of our business relationship that later turned to a love relationship for a few months. This man was everything that a woman would ask for in a man. He was good to me and our business relationship also improved and I got his orders from his company and the money was also good. He was very civil panguwe business. Paitukwana zvekuti one would not believe kuti tinodanana. After 5 p.m. nyaya dzatochinja. The fun thing that started to happen kuside re business rangu, I slowly lost my clients one. Please take note of this. It's a system set by the devil when he is working on destroying your business. Harivhareka one. No, bijana like quicksand. Uchitonyura. Next thing dasara ne company, but I foolishly ignored this because Bear gave me big orders with good money. Saka ndinakuita shungu nezvakawanda, but I later on realized kuti mari iri kuuya pachandiri kuita nemari iyi. Honestly hapana. All of a sudden ndava munhu asina kurongeka here sure, but still handina kuita shungu nazvo. Tafamba, I started to feel my spirit restless, telling me to dump this guy and stop working with him. I kept on having recurring dreams about him. Mamwe, airadza kuti I'm wasting myself with him, something like that. I prayed, Mwari, why this man has been nothing but good to me. He supports my hustle, anoenda kuchurch. He's kind-hearted. Ndaifonera more than 30 minutes per day, not less than 5 minutes call duration. I remember my aunt saying, this is not love. This man has an obsession over you. Because of his cleanness, I stopped having friends or a social life. Slowly, I was isolated and hooked onto him. Big time. Big mistakes. I intertwined my whole life in my business life with his. You could do without me, but I couldn't do without him. You see where the danger was. Kuti why muri kuti ndisiyane nemunhu uyu and everything zvake. Hapana kuita my days. I had a dream. I saw him having sex with one of his female friends. I called my male bestie. I called him ndikamudza about the dream and he said, let's talk tomorrow kubasa. Ndikati, it's fine. We met and he said he knew about it. Apparently this lady was a friend to his half-sister, but she didn't know. Saka akamudza about the relationship. That's how he got to know. Immediately, I knew why God kept on pushing me away from him. But that was not all of it. There was more under the rug. I didn't want to break the friendship. Pakaita vanhu vakawanda pakati. So I just told the guy I'm no longer interested in the relationship. I didn't give him details. I knew because this guy take I couldn't understand why he managed to sustain a different relationship. But well, men got skills. Kumuramba kwakaita hondo. He threatened me. Nei kufunga kwenyu. Well, his company was my only source of income. Takasvika sei ipapo? I don't know. He could replace me, but replacing him was a difficult mission. My financial security was in his hands. He could flip and twist me as he pleases. Ndakaona kuti ndiri pama one. That was 2017. I decided to hang around and start something new aside and facilitate my way out. I wanted my financial independence. What gave me the confidence is knowing my gift to sell anything. So I knew I only needed some few months to set myself free, but I didn't really know what made me lose my customers I had before this guy. Why I was no longer able to sell to anyone except him. I kind of felt it one day. I was selling something from my car in town, and apana kana mwana akambobvunza kuti mukutengesa. I felt like pane chandisina, but still chi handina kuzvibata at that time. I just concluded kuti this is not for me. But before this man, I could sell anything. Mazai, keys, my dish towel. While I'm in the process of starting something new, August 2017, I became sick. You need to read if you haven't already thorn in my flesh to understand this. Let me take you back a little bit. At the beginning of 2017, that's when my mom strayed. There's a diary footy, the witchcraft. You need to read it again to understand this diary. I just came back from work and found her gone. Vaisara vegapamba. I had no one to ask, but handina kuita fast nasho. I just hope vanoenda kumusha. Zvavanosimboita, vanotetereka and end up vari kurural home. So when I got sick, I became so weak and vulnerable. I couldn't start something new. New baby needs a lot of work and attention. So all plans ndakamaisa pahold. I just hoped I will get back. I'll get better soon and resume my work. I would have very strange dreams before I got sick, but I never had someone to interpret for me. Please never ignore your dreams. They are for your life previous. God communicates to us sometimes through dreams. My dreams anoburitsa some information about what's transpiring in the spiritual realm. Kusarota is even more dangerous. One night, I can't say I was really dreaming, but I could see myself laying on my bed, but not far ceiling. I was so confused. Ndikati chaitika kwandiri asi ndokufa kwacho. Immediately I fell back to my body ndikabva ndafunduka. I had so many similar dreams, but that time kuchurch kwandaipinda was no longer a church. I could feel takangongana edu, but zvamwari pano hapasisina. So even my attendance decreased. Ndakungogara zvangu kumba. After those dreams, I became seriously sick. I could feel there's something seriously wrong with me spiritually, but I couldn't pinpoint it. I felt light. I felt like there was something missing from me. One day I went to this new church. I liked it. The word was so reviving. Church ikoko. The apostle one day preached about dreams. Vakati, please, if you have any dreams, call me or text ndikupe interpretation. It's something you need to take seriously. My relationship with that guy was slow pandakatanga kurwara. I had a solid excuse which he seemed to understand. We kept talking as usual, but pandakatanga wenda kuchurch kuya would fight a lot. Basa racho was now stressful. For the first time, mari yangu as on payments dzakatanga kunetsa kubuda. One day after fight a payment, I had a dream, a voice telling me like Raven, siya nemari yanenge haisi mari. I called my pastor the following morning, telling him about that specific dream. He said, let me pray about it. Ndinzwe mari kuti vari kuti kudi. Within an hour, he called me back. Vakati muripi. As he calls me, I was invited by muzukuru wangu, mwana wesister yababa matwins anonditi Gogo. So everyone calls me Gogo in that church. Vakati Gogo muripi, pinda town. I need to see you really quick. He was formerly employed, so I had to go pavaishandira pa Eastgate. He's an engineer. He works in work suits. We found a place to sit. What he told me shocked me and broke me in one go. He said, God told me you got into a relationship with someone that you also worked with. He said you were targeted by the system of the devil. When you slept with this man, they initiated you into that system of Satanism so that he can use your grace to make money for himself. You have lost so much time and opportunities. You are his cash cow, not lover. When you decided to dump him, they tried to kill you, but God fought for you because of Nerida Zamunochengeta. Waona kuti he failed to kill you, he broke your backbone so that you become weak and continue working for him. Iye oramba ane access to your grace and continue using you. Ha! I cried. He asked me why I decided to dump this guy after dating him for so long. I told him about the recurring dreams akaitika for more than 4 years. He said God was warning you and you didn't listen. I told him my fears, how my business was hooked to this man. Vakati, yes, they blocked anything that brings money to your life, push you in a desperate corner where you have no choice but look up to him for survival. It then explained how I lost other customers and why I failed to start something successful. I remember the days when I first met this guy, this man, 2014. Ndakarota papa vekuchechi kwaenda vakamira next to my bed vakati kubva nhasi hausisina chinoti Raven. Akasimudza ruoko rwake akatora muviri wangu wakatoti nyamu. I felt it and I was confused because I never really liked that man of God. Again, I foolishly ignored that dream. Ndopa akabaya He said God kept on following you because you were clean. No, that relationship with premarital sex is a sin. And inonyangadza Mwari. God said this woman genuinely loved God. Azvisvibisa hake, but she has a heart for God. If only she can clean herself up, she's a great asset in the kingdom of God. That's why God kept on speaking to me to let go this person. I couldn't understand why I was labeled Satanist for someone I was actually tricked and never intentionally participated in. He said some very important information supported with Bible scriptures. What he said is the truth, which most of us have no idea of and still think ndezvekupenga or there's nothing like that. When I'm typing, I always feel limited to express nyangu. So for more details and explanation about this, you can inbox or question me dopindura with audios. My apostle revealed the real danger with premarital sex. He said the kingdom of the devil main goal yake is recruitment. That's why he's very generous to give people money as long as you are recruited and serve in the kingdom. We have two different types of Satanists, the conscious and unconscious. But they say in the eyes of God, wanoseva Satan. If you die, hell is waiting for you. So one of the easiest way to recruit for his kingdom is just simple sex. As we think, we stand to lose so much per sex pire. Kungoti that information, the devil always makes it feel kuti. It's useless. The devil can't have access to your life unless you allow him. So he knows kuti fair me. He then creates system to trick you into serving him. Kuziva kana kusaziva. Once you fall for his tricks, zvavarana. In a way that he initiates people to his kingdom is money. Kudya mari yake, spending dirty money, you are opening up yourself to the devil to find leverage on your life. I looked at my life all these years I was with this man and nothing really tangible. Chandakaita nemari yake nyangwe yainge yakawanda. He wasn't all that when I met him, but I left him a millionaire in USD terms. He had 4 ordinary small cars. I left him with a fleet of over 60 cars. Zimwe dzinomtupa, not Honda Fit. So I asked my pastor, Ndoita say, ndakapererwa. I never knew my life was twisted. He said God said first things, let it go of this money because you can't fight the devil. That's feeding you. But ipapo, you can't say tete vanoroya, but vakakupa mari yavo unoidya. That's why we started fighting over payments when I started going to this new church. My spirit was irritating this evil system of that devil that was responsible for accumulating wealth for his company. So every time I would be prayed for my health, I would get worse, not better. Why? I was fighting the system and feeding from it at the same time. I asked my pastor why this man already had his business before me, not as successful, but there was something he explained to me, what I can't explain again to you in words today. This man was actually sacrificing his workers and everyone around him that benefited from this evil system. Money, my heart broke. Major sacrifice is marriage. Vanhu vairambana around him, family, workers, marriages that are over 20 years, including his. Ndakatarisa kuparara kwakaita vanhu around him. Some would die zvisinganzwisisiki. It was horrible. All this started after 2012 when he joined a cult yekuita mari. So what it does, there's a spirit that moves around with them. Inoita kakufundutsa. If they see a person that has grace, they don't just approach anyone. That explains his reaction when he first saw me, which he later told me. Tatofamba said, when I first saw you, ndakafondoka. This is not only the sad part, even the first guy I dated after my divorce said the same. Taitota rasenya choseka kati, when I first saw you, ndakafondoka. I just placed 1 and 2 together. Dopa ndakaona kuti ndakashandiswa. Well, this guy is in a very high office. Kune zvematongero enyika yakawanda. Vakawanda. You know him. If you still recall, when I shared this concept about university girls with blessers, vana vari kutorerwa zvipo zvavo nemadhara aya, they are being initiated into Satanism. Words sound so scary to be associated with just sex. Please don't ignore this chokwadi. I can't write down Jesse today, but I tell you, this is more dangerous than what you think. The devil knows he can't reach out to many if he only uses scary rituals for initiation. So he created this simple concept, yet deadly. Anything narrows down to sin and 10 commandments. My pastor explained everything in detail and it made all sense. I can't write it again. today. Then he looked at me in the eyes. Vakati saka gogo toita say, you need to choose God or moramba muri satanism. I was like, I told him I was trying to get out of this entanglement. Way before I met you, I felt like God was communicating something against this man because of my strange dreams. But I had no detailed information about everything. It's actually worse than I thought. I can't get out in this mess. So yes, I want to get out as soon as yesterday. Vakati I have people vanondirambira that come with similar situations like you. So I wanted to be clear with everything. Hold my hand. I'll fight for you spiritually or physically. He asked me to fast and pray with him for 3 days. He said we are getting into a battle with devil to take back what he has stolen from you. Be strong. It's going to be nasty. Ndakaziva how nasty it was going to be chokwadi. I don't think I was going to agree with him that day. It has been really nasty. Now I understand why a person cannot join Satanism and come out whenever they wish. It's not easy. The painful part is I never got initiated intentionally. I never chose the devil's money. Inini, my mistake was dating and sleeping with someone that served the devil. Daitoda umari, going to church every Sunday. How my life ended up here, I have no explanation for it. The devil takes his time kuisa munhu wake pachiraro, and he doesn't let go of you easily, as I thought. I've told you my past battles, and you thought they were the worst, but no, trust me. The battle of detangling myself from this system of evil takes the cup. We underestimate our enemy, Lucifer. Akadane Draco, you show you real flames. I'll come with the battle with Lucifer diaries. I can't include it here. It will be extremely long and unreasonable. So remind me. Ndakachemera apostle vangu kuti why you didn't tell me zvichadai, vakasekawo vakati ndakakutaurira one. My grace to create wealthy, grace to sell zvinoita kuti business rinzi business ndo rakabiwa. I could try to sell and fail to sell anything. Kusatengerwa munokuziva here kushaya kana customer. I mean kushaya kwekuti full year gore rose failing to make a sale $5. Do you have an insight of what I'm talking about? The devil raised enemies for me at every corner, including my own parents. Nothing worked in my favor. Anything and anyone that could be used against me, it was so. Even churchmates. With all the storms, I saw the mighty hand of God. Ndakaona how graceful God can be. He had said, do not fear ndinewe, but the storms will rise. I thought I would die, but God will raise the standards. The devil would think he had closed my life, and God will open the floodgates. Kumunyadzisa. Shame. If you ever find yourself in a situation where you need to choose what's right, your God and security offered by the devil, don't be intimidated. Choose God. Do the right thing. God always follows up his word until it's fulfilled. It might not be easy, but be rest assured you conquer. You come out victorious. Usachke. Don't settle for less. If the devil is giving you 10, just know kuti yako chayo 100. So he's keeping the 90 for himself. Ndaidyara iwe wokowa. Ukaona your harvest isingaenderani with the seed you have sown, there's a possibility that the devil might have stolen your grace. There are so many ways to lose your grace. We'll talk about it some other time, but yanasi is through sex. Ndasiya zvakawanda kuti this diary riverengeke, because there's a lot I feel people need to know. Stuff that messes up their plans, visions and dreams, and businesses that falls under corporate witchcraft. After dealing with so much from our families, be prepared to face the evil Goliath. In the corporate world, we fight for so little takawanda, and people are prepared to do anything to make it in this world. You can't move around blindly. You'll be taken advantage of. People will use you. Seek so much of the Spirit of God to see the devil's traps. Power to clean blood money that may come to mix with yours. Isatora mariako or harm you. Vanhu vaMwari, the devil has upgraded munyika mashata. If you decide to serve God, do it wholeheartedly. You can't afford to be lukewarm. The devil will destroy you. Run away from sin. Never allow your sinful nature to override your life. You stand to lose so much. Sin opens the doors to the devil. Confess your sins before God and take away the devil's leverage over your life. If you don't confess sins, the devil will hold over your life. I'll end it here today. Thank you so much for your love and support. I'll always say, dai musipo ndisina wekunyorera makandikoshera. I'm always open for questions or for further explanation. Ndoisa ama audio. I love you. Share the light. Let the light spread. Raven Diaries number +263 77284 5786. Right. pane dhayari ravakanyora rehow a stranger delivered a car vasina kubvisa any cent. Kana ndisina kuriverenga mundiudze so that I'll also read that, because pane time kuti ndogona kurekodha ndototi ndarekodha then ndorega kuposta, so please let me know, right? Kana maiterera pana rega ndisataura masabati, pane vamwe mufundisi vaitaura kuti Satani anoda kunamatiwa through sex. Why? Because God, handiti sex ndezvemarriage, zvinhu zvinoitwa nevanhu vakaroorana kaizvi. Mwari vakazvi, God blessed the marriage. Saka Mwari anoenda pazvinhu zvose zviri holy zvakasikwa naMwari achinobhidliza izvozvo, achizviparadza. Saka he uses sex as a form of worship. Handiti mazvinzwira moga. She joined Satanism munhu asingatozivi, asi maunza panzi kwai bhodhi yangu yaisumuka ichiseparate. Kana mukateerera matestimony evanhu vakaita Satanism vakawanda, vanototi spirit yangu yaienda bhodhi yosara, ndobva ndainda ndonoita basa ndonodidi zvakawanda. Ndoziva kuti munoteerera matestimony emasatanist akawanda, right? I have nothing to say. Chandingangoti ndechekuti tanzwa soko raMwari, zvese zvavataura handi mazvinzwa moga, tazvinzwira toga kuti ngatinamatei, nekuti mazuva, the days are so evil. Satani anozama nenzira dzose kuda kutishungurudza. Ndinokutendai nekuona chirongwa kwamaita. Tichadzoka zvakare nemusi weMonday, because ndakaona kuti ndikauya neSunday, Monday I become so tired, ndosaka Monday ndakazotadza kuposta. Saka allow me to rest. Wose to everyone who's negative, I'm going to say this for the last time. Umqondo wesiqokoqela ndicharamba ndakadzvanya ipapo, ndokumbira kuti musasiya negative comments enyu panapa. They really affect me, especially if I read them before reading. I come here, I've already lost, the positivity that is in me. Anditika ndinokutendai guys nekuona chirongwa kwamaita. Mwari akuitire zvakanaka. Tichadzoka zvakare neMonday. Muve neweekend yakanaka. Tatenda. Bye bye.